Today we are looking at a pet water fountain. The water fountain is stainless steel, and in this video I'm going to show you what comes in the box, put it together for you, and then Calvin, our cat, is going to demo it. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video, however all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Inside the box you are going to have the actual water fountain, the spout that drips the water out. You're going to have the instruction manual. The cord, they do include a block that goes into the wall. I don't know why it's a different color, but that's okay. There's also the pump and then some spare rubber gaskets. You do have to soak the filter for 5 minutes. So while I'm putting this together, I'm going to just put this in here and we're going to soak it for 5 minutes. The spout fits snugly into this gray piece. Now, you don't want to completely put this together because the cord has to go through this as well. Once you're done soaking the filter, you're going to just thread this through the hole. The white screw-on component goes onto the bottom of the gray piece. Then this white rubber connector goes on the bottom of the white hard plastic piece, and then the pump goes on the other side. Once you plug it in, it comes on immediately and you have a nice fresh trickle of water for your pet. In addition to the filter that's on the pump, there's also another filter that's built in on the right-hand side. That one, you can take it out and clean it, and then you can put it right back into the case. If you're looking for a stainless steel pet water fountain for your cat, this one is a really good option, and I think Calvin likes it too.